Hello students. Last class we learned about the natural resources and their uses and soil formation. In this class we learned about different types of soil, soil erosion and soil conservation. Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICAR has divided the soils of India into 8 types. These are alluvial soil, red soil, black soil, laterite soil, desert soil, mountain soil, forest soil, and marshy soil. This type of soil is found in 43% of total area of India. It is found in the northern plains from the Brahmaputra valley in the east up to Satluj in the west and in the delta regions. It is formed due to the alluvial deposition by the rivers. In this soil, there is less proportion of nitrogen and humus. The crops like wheat, paddy, sugarcane, jute, cotton, maize, oilseeds, etc. can be grown. There are two types of alluvial soil, Kadar soil and Bengal soil. Kadar soil is the newly alluvial soil and Bengal soil is the old alluvial soil. Now we learn about red soil. It occupies about 19% of the total land area. It spreads from Tamil Nadu up to Bundelganj in the north and from Rajmahal Hills in the east up to Kutch in the west. The soil is red in color because of its presence of ferric oxide and it becomes yellow while going down. Crops like millet, cotton, wheat, jowar, linseed, groundnut, potato, etc. are grown. Red soil is red because of its presence of ferric oxide and it becomes yellow while going down. Next is black soil. The other names of black soil is cotton soil, rigor soil, self-ploughing soil. Black soil covers about 15% of the total area of land. It is formed due to the spreading of Deccan lava. Lava rocks and climate play an important role for the formation of this soil. In this soil, more proportion of iron, lime, potash, aluminium and magnesium are there. It is considered to be quite fertile. It has the capacity of retaining more moisture. Whenever the moisture dries up, they develop fissures, so it is known as rigor soil. In this soil, cotton grows well, so it is known as cotton soil. Crops like cotton, linseed, mustard, groundnut, etc. are grown in this soil. The different names of black soil is cotton soil, rigor soil, self-ploughing soil. It is formed due to the spreading of Deccan lava. It is found in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Gujarat, etc. It has the capacity of retaining moisture for a long period. Now we learn about laterite soil. The name of this soil, laterite, is derived from the Latin word later, which means brick. Its color is red because of the presence of iron oxide. When the soil becomes wet, it becomes smooth like butter, and when it is dry, it becomes very hard. It is formed due to the change of dry and moist climate and due to the prevention of silica-based material. The soil is less fertile, but cotton, paddy, sugarcane, tea, coffee, cashew, etc. are grown in this soil after using fertilizers. It's found in Karnataka, Orissa, Kerala and parts of Assam and Meghalaya. Next is desert soil. Desert soil is found in the place where the climate is arid and semi-arid. It is sandy, infertile and lack in organic matter. This soil is found in Rajasthan, Haryana and southern Punjab. In Gujarat, this type of soil is found in Kutch and some other parts of Saurashtra. With irrigation facilities, crops like millet and jowar can be cultivated. So desert soil can be found in arid and semi-arid regions. Soil is sandy, infertile and lack in organic matter. Found in states like Rajasthan, Punjab and Haryana. Crops like millet and jowar can be cultivated. Next is mountain soil. It found in the valley and slopy regions of Himalayas at the altitude of 2700 to 3000 meters. This soil is found in Assam, Darjeeling, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir, and it is characterized by the deposition of organic material. This soil is sandy, porous, shallow and immature. Next is forest soil. It's found in the coniferous forest of Himalayas and in Sahyadri, Eastern Ghats and Terai regions where the altitude is in between 3000 meters to 3100 meters. The surface of the earth is covered by the shaded leaves of the trees and the upper part of the land becomes black due to the increase in the humus caused due to the decaying of leaves. It changes into blue or red color while going down. Tea, coffee, spices and other crops like wheat, maize, barley, paddy, etc. are grown here. Forest soil found in the areas where the altitude in between 3000 to 3100 meters, and it is found in Sahyadri, Eastern Ghats and Terai regions of Himalayas. The upper part becomes black due to the increase in the humus, changes into blue or red while going down within the land. Tea, coffee, spices, wheat, maize, etc. are grown. Next is marshy soil. This type of soil develops in humid regions due to the accumulation of biotic elements. During rainy season, this land is submerged under water, and when the water recedes, paddy can be grown in it. In this soil, there is more biotic elements and minerals are there, but less in phosphate and potash. This soil is found in Orissa, West Bengal, coastal Tamil Nadu, central area of northern Bihar, and in the Almora district of Uttarakhand. So marshy soil develops in humid regions due to the accumulation of biotic elements. It contains less in phosphate and potash. It found in Orissa, West Bengal, Uttarakhand and central area of northern Bihar. Now we learn about soil erosion. Soil erosion means transportation of land particles from one place to another with the help of moving air and water. In other words, we can say that the fast transportation of the particles of the surface land from one place to another by natural, forces. What are the reasons for soil erosion? Soil erosion causes because of natural factors and man-made factors. Natural factors are running water and moving air. Man-made factors are the overgrazing by animals, deforestation, and careless management of forest. Mining and industry are the two important activities of mankind. These mining sites are abandoned after excavation work is completed. The mineral processing, like grinding of limestone for cement industry, generates heavy amount of dust and release into the atmosphere. It later settles down on the surrounding areas, affects infiltration of water and crop cultivation. Industrial effluents and waste have become a major cause of land and water pollution in India. So soil erosion is the transportation of land particles from one place to another with the help of moving air and water. There are two factors, natural factors and man-made factors for soil erosion. There are three types of soil erosion: gully erosion, sheet erosion, and wind erosion. In dry areas, particularly in deserts, winds carry with them a lot of topsoils and deposit them in other areas. Soil erosion in certain areas have become a danger. It does not allow farmers to grow crops and thus affects their prosperity. So we have to control soil erosion. Now we will learn about the measures to prevent soil erosion. Control the grazing activity on the land. Plantation should be carried out in slopy regions. Plant trees in fallow land. Construct check dams where there are streams. Cultivate very deeply in the field to reduce the spread of water. Afforestation. These are the different steps taken to prevent soil erosion. Soil erosion affects the fertility of the soil. So we have to take measures to prevent soil erosion. Control overgrazing. Plantation should be carried deeply. Afforestation. Construct check dams. Cultivate very deeply. These are the important measures to prevent soil erosion. Next we will learn about soil conservation. Soil conservation means to prevent the soil erosion and to maintain its quality. Soil conservation is directly connected to retain the soil particles at their original place. Different remedies are used in different places according to its location. If the soil is not conserved, then there are chances of floods which increase the risk against the life and property. Thus, soil conservation is very important. What are the remedies for soil conservation? There are several measures for controlling soil degradation. Soil erosion in hilly areas can be checked by construction of terrace farming and ploughing of gullies by construction of check dams. Second is afforestation. Afforestation can control soil erosion on slopes. Preparation of shelter belts for plants. Control of overgrazing by animals and stabilization of sand dunes by growing thorny bushes are some of the methods used for land conservation. Moisture conservation and weed control in agricultural lands, regularization of grazing and proper management of wastelands and control of mining activities. These are some of the methods that can be used for soil conservation. Proper discharge and disposal of industrial effluents and waste after treatment can reduce land degradation in industrial areas. So soil conservation means to prevent soil erosion and to maintain its quality. Soil conservation is very necessary because it destroys the fertility of the soil. There are different steps, different measures for soil conservation: terrace farming and construction of check dams, afforestation. River floods should be controlled by diverting their flow in other rivers or in dry river beds. Control overgrazing. These are the different measures for soil conservation.